Hi viewers, welcome back. Now we'll discuss another subtopic in time and distance, that is chasing. So chasing is here one chases the others. Okay, one car chases the another car. A police chases a thief. Okay, like that. There will be different examples that they may give, but in every time they will ask you to find the distance after which they will meet. Okay, the time for meet, like that. Okay, let us solve various problems on this topic so that we'll get to know how to solve this. Okay, so let us solve this problem. Here a thief spots a policeman. Okay, immediately after seeing the policeman, he started running. Okay, but whenever the thief spotted the policeman, he is 100 meters away from the policeman. Okay, so for suppose here he is a thief, and suppose he is a policeman. Okay, so he is a thief and he is a policeman. Okay, he just saw the policeman and immediately he started running. Okay, so he started running in this direction. Okay, but by the time when he saw the policeman, even the policeman also saw the thief. Okay, what is the distance between these two is 100 meters. Okay, so the initial distance between these two is 100 meters, and immediately after he saw the police, he started running. Okay, so finally what is that they are asking? How far would the thief have run before he is overtaken? Okay, so here whatever the distance the thief runs, that distance plus 100 meters is the total distance that is to be traveled by the policeman. Okay, he has to run that much distance. Okay, whatever the distance that the thief runs, that plus 100 meters will be the distance that run by the policeman. Okay, so now they are asking that what is the distance the thief run before he caught by the policeman. Okay, so here he is running in this direction, even the police also follow him. Okay, so here thief, whatever the distance the thief runs, that distance is not equals to the policeman distance. Okay, he is running 100 meters more. Okay, so the distances are not being equal, and even the velocities are also not equal. Okay, so the thief is running with the velocity of 8 km per hour, and the policeman is running at a velocity of 10 kilometers per hour. Okay, so both are having different velocities, different distances, and what is being constant here? The time is being constant, because after certain time the police will catch the thief. Okay, both will meet at a place after a certain time, and that time is going to be constant for both the thief and police. Okay, so the time for the thief and the time for the police, okay, both are same. Okay, so now you have to write the time in terms of distance and velocity. Okay, t is equals to d by v, right? So for thief, what is the distance that he has to run? We don't know that. Okay, we can straight away take that as d. Okay, d by, and what is the distance? D by v, right? Velocity 8 is equals to, what is the time taken by the police to catch the thief? What is the distance that he has to run? Whatever the distance that the thief runs, that plus 100. Okay, he has to travel 100 meters more to catch the thief, and what is his velocity? That is 10. Okay, so if you equate it, you can find the d value. That itself will be the answer. Okay, so if you solve this on this side, this will be 10d, 8d plus 800, and this will be 2d is equals to 800, and from this it is d is equals to 400 meters. Okay, so 400 meters will be the distance traveled by the thief. Okay, what will be the distance traveled by the policeman? This plus 100, it means that total 500 meters he has to run to catch the thief. Okay, and the thief is being run a 400 meters distance before he caught by the police. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. Okay, so this is a normal method to solve this. There is also another method which can be considered as a shortcut method, in which we can have a direct formula to calculate this distance. Okay, so let us see that. Now we solve this using the shortcut method. Okay, so here you have a formula that is for the distance. Okay, distance is equals to delta D into A by A minus B. Okay, so this is the formula that you have to use to find the distance. Okay, after which the two will meet. Okay, after which the police will catch the thief. Okay, in this formula. Okay, so here delta D is the initial separation distance. Okay, so the initial distance by which the two are separated. Okay, so here the initial distance between the police and the thief is 100 meters, right? So that itself will be the delta D into, and you know, A, B are the velocities, the respective velocities of each. Okay, so one is having 8 km per hour and the other is having 10 km per hour. Okay, so the difference will be in the denominator, that is 10 minus 8, that is 2 km per hour. That is okay. So now you know what is A here? A corresponds to the velocity of whose distance is to be calculated. I mean, here they are asking what is the distance traveled by the thief before he caught by the police. Okay, whose distance we need to find? The distance traveled by the thief, right? So the thief distance we need to find, because both are running different distances, because as we have calculated earlier, the thief is running 400 meters and the police is running 500 meters. The distances are different. Okay, so whose distance you have to find? Here they asked you to find out the distance traveled by the thief, right? So the thief speed you have to enter here. Thief speed is how much? 8, right? Okay, so 2 4s are 8 and this will be 400 meters. Okay, so here you know, if you observe, it is in kilometer per hour and it is also in kilometer per hour. Okay, both will get cancelled. Okay, so here you need not do the conversions. Even if this is in meters, that is okay, you need not convert this into kilometers. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this. Okay, we have already seen the conventional way of solving this. Okay, so as the time is same in the both the cases, for the thief and the policeman, we have to equate them and we have to write down the expression and we can solve this. Okay, or you can use this formula to solve this simply. Okay, and you know, here it is for thief, right? Suppose if this is for a policeman, I mean, what is the distance traveled by the policeman before he catches the thief? Okay, so that is D is equals to delta D is the initial difference of distance between those two, and here whose distance we need to find? Policeman, right? What is his velocity? That will be 10 by the difference in velocities, that is 2 5s are 10 and this will be 500 meters as we calculated earlier, right? We have got the same, right? So the thief traveled 400 meters and the policeman traveled 500 meters of distance. Okay, so this is how you have to solve this kind of problems.